Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Harrow Council Tax Account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.harrow.gov.uk. Just click on that link. Now you will be redirected to the official website of Harrow. Now scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the sign in form. Now you just need to enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on sign in button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on I have forgotten my password. Then you'll be easily recover your password. If you don't have any account of Harrow Council Tax Account, just click on register for an account. Then you'll be easily create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this, and remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.